In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from TradingView. If you want to backtest, build a spreadsheet, or simply archive market activity, exporting data from your TradingView chart is quick and straightforward. Start by opening the specific chart you want to export. Make sure you've selected the exact symbol and time frame you care about, because the export reflects the chart that's currently on your screen. Next, look to the top right corner of the chart area. You'll see the chart layout name, and right beside it, a small caret icon that looks like a tiny downward arrow. Click that caret to open a menu. This is where TradingView keeps a few chart-level actions, including the option we need. From that menu, click Download Chart Data. A small dialog will appear asking you to choose the time format. This setting controls how the timestamps are written in your file. Pick the version that matches how you plan to use the data later. For example, if you're feeding it into a spreadsheet or a simple report, a standard date and time format is easy to read. If you're sending it into code or a database that expects numeric time, a timestamp format can be more convenient. The key is to stay consistent with whatever tool or workflow you're using so you don't have to reformat every time. Once you've chosen the time format, click Download. TradingView will generate a file, typically a CSV, that includes core fields like time, open, high, low, close, and volume for the bars visible in your chart's loaded history. You'll find the file in your browser's default Downloads folder, and the file name usually includes the symbol and time frame for quick identification. A couple of quick tips to make the most of your export. The amount of data you get can depend on how much history is loaded on your chart and, in some cases, your plan limits. If you need more bars, zoom out or scroll back to load additional history before you export. Also, keep the time frame in mind. If your chart is set to a daily interval, you'll export daily bars. If it's set to 5 minutes, you'll get 5-minute bars. If you plan to combine multiple exports, save them into an organized folder and keep your time format consistent across files. And that's all there is to it. Click the caret beside your chart layout name, choose Download Chart Data, select the time format that suits your workflow, and hit Download. You'll be ready to analyze your data wherever you prefer.